Excuse me, the show here, the people, there is no band. There is no band. They're laying down. There's no band here. You can see there. The people are laying down. Excuse me, nurse. Excuse me, doctor. Excuse me, doctor.
You don't say engage him. There's no outside. There's no outside.
They are too much busy. Doctors are busy. They're not giving time to me. Well, come here. Camera, please come here. I want to show something. Please come here. Camera, please come here. There you can see that. Now we are injured here, but there's no medicine. You can see the person. You can see the person. Doctor! Oh my God.
Please, doctor. I need a doctor. My doctor.
Over here, the person, they know, they're all injured. They're dying. Oh my God. The people, I would ask them to. Alright. You can see some girls out here. Some girls also. University girls. They are very injured. Critical condition. They're dying. I want the patient of...
Please, doctor, help me. Doctor!
Whatever they have. Alright.
Kill me!
Oh, what's happening though? So give me some painkiller. Oh my God. The person you can see over here is died. Is died, but they don't know the person here. The operating, I would ask the doctor. Over here you can see here. Excuse me, doctor. Excuse me, doctor.
Too much.
Doctor, excuse me. Excuse me, doctor.
Can't you see I'm doing my job?
So why are they down? Why are they down? What's the problem? What's the problem?
There's no more.
It's not.
No more because I don't have any medicine. There is a leg of bed. And
What about doctors? There are no doctors here?
there are only 3 doctors. Not many more doctors.
You need more doctors. And anything more, you need medicine as well. Or you need medicine. Oh my God, they need medicine, they need doctors. There's no more doctor. We'll ask some more doctors over here. Excuse me, doctor. Here, we'll ask the doctor. Excuse me, madam. Doctor, excuse me. So we're telling about why they're laying down. Was there no medicine? There's no
I'm
bed.
not doctor. Doctor is here. I'm only nurse. So why are you disturbing me?
I don't disturb you. I'm asking that people are crying. They need medicine, painkiller.
Government doesn't provide us medicine bed. You see them? Why are you saying that?
The government problem. Government providing you people that pay more than the doctor is there.
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll get the doctor. Excuse me, doctor.
This is a government hospital. Government doesn't provide us medicine. And the doctors, we need more doctors. We need medicine. We need bandages. How can we help ourselves?
All right, how many that you can see over here? You can see here. The people are very injured. You can see doctor here. Over here.
Like their job. We give them treatment and patients and go outside.
Excuse me, last question. Excuse me, I will tell you that how many specialists you have at the moment.
For this time,
Yeah.
I have only one specialist. Ask him.
What's the name of that doctor?
His name is Esther.
All right, one more question like that. So what do you think about it? What do you want the government to do? You send a message to government.
We need medicine, we need more doctors, we need more medicine.
All right.
Bandages. How can I help ourselves?
The government problem.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's talk about that specialist. You call the prescription specialist. You doctor us. Doctor prescription. All right. Now we have the specialist doctor us. What do you think about the number of problems going on over here? No man, no doctor, no medicine.
We can see yourself that we are surviving the people and we are treating the people. But there are many,
Say to the media.
there are many injured persons and most of them have died. The government didn't give us any facilities. There are, you can meet yourself that we have 3 specialists. Only the one I am here. And all of them, some of them have gone to holidays. They are spending their holidays and then good.
Or they don't care about this law. They're going to the holidays, enjoying holidays.
Yes, sir. That's right. They are not expanding. They are just thinking about themselves. Even they must know about the situation which is going on in the hospital. They are not here.
The number of families searching their parents, their children in the hospital over here. They are coming here. They are too much red hot. How do you control them?
I am really controlled. I am just appreciating them and I am just making them believe that they will be alright after a few days.
Thank you very much, doctor. We'll catch you. They are ready. They're very worried about they're searching the children, they're searching the family members over here and coming to the hospital. You can see over here. Number of people are coming over here, so we're worried about it.
My brother is my
You can see over here. You can see here. You can see here. Look at the brain.
He's your brother.
Don't mind. What happened? He's damaged. He's damaged both hands. He's damaged. I'm going to show you what
I want my brother safely. Please, the doctor. Excuse me. Where is my brother? Doctor, where is my brother? Excuse me. I don't know.
Excuse me, madam. Excuse me, madam. Excuse me. All right.
What are you doing?
All right. Now, there's a great panic going on over here. Nobody is listening here. There's too much panic. You can later look at some over.
You went for getting the education, and now you can see the condition of a brother.
So you talk to the doctor, the surgeon is there. What's he saying? So what are we doing here?
We are also treating them. How is it that
You can see that there was no bleeding.
there is only the specialist, only the one. And that's why we are not
Okay,
Who
okay.
is responsible?
Excuse me,
We are
now who's
responsible.
responsible? What is it? Who's responsible?
I think government is responsible. We should take the action. There was no medicine, there was no doctor. And they all are
I think
injured.
government listening by the media, they can get action by your words. Don't worry about it. Now we ask one more parent will say, excuse me, madam. Excuse me, why are you worried about it?
My brother is injured.
All right.
Doctor is negligent.
And a big problem going on. Oh my God. Excuse me, I'll show the doctor. Media was watching. All right. They say what they're not treating them. Excuse me. We're not treating them well.
I treat him. You don't see you are blind?
They're too much angry. They're much too angry. They're not talking me what the right way because they're much old hunger. We'll carry it here. Excuse me. Yes, what do you want to say something? Doctors are there available. Some doctors are there available. What do you know about it? What do you want to say? You are very in problem. I think that they are treating well. Excuse me, sir. What do you want to say?
Sir, he's injured for a long time.
Yes.
So he has no doctor. What is the heck?
The bleeding going on.
He's injured for a long time. There is no
Oh
doctor.
my God. Excuse me. You want to say something? They were on the spot and the bomb took place. What happened and who keep the bomb over there? We'll ask the one by one all the patients who are in critical condition. Let's move to the patient. We'll ask what's over there. Excuse me. Can you tell me that when the bomb took place, where were you that time? I was studying the class, my professor teaching me. The thing is that the same question I was asking about my country. The what's going on in the country with the burning issue of Pakistan. That my teacher told me that I should take his dad blasting about in the country. That's why we're running over there. The thing is that Saddam Hussein person came and committed attempt the blast. We don't know who came in our class and the bomb blast over here. But this is our condition, this is our activities that we are not performing namaz over here. We are not doing the any right way. We are going the holding the water. Alright. Who do you want to blame? I want to blame the government. Government just protect us. Alright, just blame the government. We'll ask for the bomb right here. You can see here. What's happened that time?
Patient needs
I am a student of WLP University. They have sent a blog earlier in the
Where were you that time the bomb took place?
I am in my class.
Surgeon!
Unknown students are in my class and put this
Patient
back.
needs you.
And whenever our security checked
The bomb, okay, you tell me that unknown person, unknown student. Who allowed them, unknown student?
of course, security and discovered in the
Why police allowed them inside?
Of course, police
So
allowed
you're blaming the police as well? Oh my God. So the one more person here, excuse me. Are you cautious? Okay. He's very critical condition, can't answer me. Excuse me. how are you? Alright. Excuse me. The person are very unconscious and they died and they are actually one more. A special case, you can say that very dangerous critical condition when a protector they lost his both hands. We go here. Oh, excuse me. Okay, excuse me. Oh, what's happened, sir? Could you tell me that how it happened that time? Excuse me.
I was there. Test call somewhere in the school, in the university. People call me. The words check the words in this bag.
So he needs a lesson.
Alright, what's happened?
Serious injured because the main people he was there, the main person.
So tell me how many people are killed right at the moment?
At least 20 to 25 people are badly.
Oh my God! And how many injured?
50 to 60 people.
50, 60 injured and a critical condition too.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
They called to the camp. They checked what is in this bag. I was checking. Suddenly, I found some pushed me back. Then I fell down towards the edge. I was behind in the hospital. Too much panic, sir. Too much panic, kill me.
Alright, what's the problem going on? Please have a pen here.
Yes, I just
Alright, my God. Very bad condition going on. Very bad condition going on. People are over here. Now would ask the okay, well, excuse me, can you?
I'm not fine because you can see here a lot of people injured, a lot of people died here, but government not provide anything.
Alright, that's a big problem.
It is very negligent, government not provide anything.
Oh my God. Excuse me. What do you know that? Oh my God, then leave me alone. Excuse me. Can you answer me? He is not fine. Excuse me, can you tell me why was that come to play? Oh my God, the doctor treating you well? Oh my God, you can see the person is dying here. Excuse me. Okay, sir. Oh my gosh, how are you? You're looking fine as well. Tell me about that. What happened that time? Alright, show the face in the media, yes. The bomb took place. Alright, slip. A person died here. Excuse me. Can you ask me? How are you? Okay, well, there's too much noise in there. Too much noise. I can't hear anybody here. What's going on? Speak up, big. You can't speak. Oh my God. Excuse me. What happened? Hello, doctor. Can you repeat that? How are you? Alright, my big problem over there. The big problem going on over here. It's the person they don't have place. They're living in the taxes. They're not going to. Excuse me, can you answer me? Oh my gosh, the critical condition really going on over here. All they're blaming one unknown person, unknown student came in the came in the university and dropped the one bag and bomb took place just because of that bag. And we asked the guard and we asked the police that how the government and how the guard allow the person to go police station. Over here, the people are all blaming the police as well. They don't come in time. They come out of the time. Example, the bomb took place and after 2 hours they came in the sport. It means they should blame and we have to blame the police. They were coming late and they arrested the innocent people. Then let's ask the police what they are doing here. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, so I got the blame that you come on the sport always late. What's the reason behind that?
Sir, we are not a criminal. We don't know where is bomb blast. So a person give us news, then I will come.
Alright, that's what you don't know about it. I heard that you take the bribe, you grease your palm and keep your pocket. Is it correct? Right? Wrong?
It's wrong, sir. Explain to our police.
And you also guard of the WFP University?
He is my brother.
He's a brother.
Right,
So
sir.
I heard the blame that he just allows a student without the card.
Sir, it's not my fault. I'm a police inspector. He's God.
What about your senior? Where's the senior?
Sir, he is my senior. He's
Okay, well, how are you?
I'm not fine, sir.
What the reason you are not fine?
Because this time and blasting, and after that 2 hours I'm arrived this time. So that's a lot of people
The
that.
people blaming you people that you are too much late and you government are blaming the people government.
Yes, sir. Sir, because my senior officer is not around me, so that's why I'm not action this time.
He is saying the senior officer, already blaming other people that these people are innocent people. Okay, they are in the prison. Okay, excuse me, why you are here?
We do protest, you are arrest him, yeah, you don't know you are came late in bomb blast. WLP University, my brother is a learning WLP University, you are
Again, why you arrest them?
Sir, this condition is crowd area, it's not fine, that's why
The person gone. So what about you?
So they are saying that why they arrest us? We are poor people, therefore they arrest us.
The poor people, who is senior by the way, who is the senior?
My senior is Shabab.
Yes, excuse me sir. You're a Shabab,
Yeah.
assessor of this area.
Yeah.
So what's going on in your area?
There is one bomb blast and people don't have a unity. Like
Alright.
that people are block the rule. That's why we arrest. That's not another people.
telling a lie.
They're
You are
blocking
telling a lie.
and
You are-
that is not
living in
Alright, the thing about that, they are saying we are innocent.
not innocent person. They pistol on police. My many policemen are injured. You look
So
here.
you are blame whom? Government you are blame?
Not the government. Government gave everything to the public.
Yes.
Public should help them and
So you know how many victims and how many people killed and how many injured, you know?
yeah, there is 25 killed and 50 injured. But sir, we don't have anything. We have police mobile and not have many police. We came right time on, but they
You are just pistol and they have I think bomb and they have Kalashnikov and you can't fight with them.
I have only the stick and this kind of pistol.
Alright.
We need a Kalashnikov and many good weapons. But there is no weapons. The government can't do
Against all them. They are saying we don't have latest weapons and the terrorists they have latest weapons and they can protect, we cannot protect the people that we need. We require the latest weapons. We are appealing to government, please provide us the latest and we want to protect the whole Pakistan, Karachi and all over the world. In the Prime Minister House, the meeting going on over here between the members of the parliament as well as the Prime Minister over here and they getting the solution of that problem. Delhi, the bomb blasting in the Karachi, in Peshawar, in number of places. Now, what the threshold of this problem? We'll ask the person over here, the Prime Minister. Now, let's see what's going on over there. Thank you very much.
We all have accumulated for what you know very well. What's going on in our country? That's why I call you guys here. Our country is destroying day by day. All bomb blasting here, all things occurring here. What's the problem behind of it? Would like to say here, you are the unit side, unit sector. You are nobody over these things. Come on, say what's going on here. Yeah, you want to say what's going on here?
In our country there is injury, worry with our country. If a person dying there are the problem. No one helping them. Our country should help our people. It's your country.
You want to say there is, you want the unity. There's the unity here. Yep. And you want to, what's your problem? Where were you?
I think our Pakistan is destroying day by day just because of dishonesty. Honesty is a part of Islam, but in this time a Muslim forget this part. That's why our Pakistan being destroying day by day and Muslim also destroying day by day.
What's the conclusion of it? On the threshold of this world, this problem.
That, in this time we all are divided in groups, like so many Shia like that. I think Allama Iqbal one quote is this: you are Pathan, you are Sindhi, but just tell me you are Muslim or not. So think about that. What he's saying.
So what we want to say, what we want. Yeah, we want to say this thing.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, how can we threshold the problem now?
I think we are not following Islamic rules. So that's the main problem of our country.
We are not following Islamic rules.
Yes.
Like,
I think Pakistan, I think we divided different religion. If we make Muslims, so I can solve our country problems.
we divide our Islam to different religions, like someone Sunni and those family like this. No one said that we are Muslim. Okay, we must be one. Okay,
Yes.
then we'll be more powerful. Yeah, what do you want to say, Mr. Yu?
increase your knowledge, Islamic of Islam, we will have to overcome our unity. The external countries and external powers,
are conspiring against us, and we don't see that. First, we will have to see our color and what we are doing. We will have to lash out the categorization.
Thank you very much. You want to say there's the American and abroad policy?
Categorization must be finished.
Yes, you want to see these things, you're fine. And I want to ask you, Mr. Neelam, now the current issue is this bomb blast in the university, okay? In university, that means over there is God, all the facilities over there, how the bomb blaster or the subsniper entered in university. Would you like to say, Veena?
The actual problem is that we take bribes. All government and all pupils who is living in some they all take bribes and visit just some farm and don't do anything. The main problem is that.
Well, thank you very much, you. Mr. Arya.
Yes, sir.
Would you like something about this? How can we resolve this problem?
Why not, sir? Because first thing is that we have on the unity, you know very about that, as well as my partner said that. Now I want to tell you about that before era, whenever Quaid-e-Azam was there, that time there was unity, best unity, and he said to us that 14 points, we are not following on 14 points. And also that foreign policy and a number of things we have, as well as Islamic republication of constitution of the
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We will obey it if Allah willing, we will obey it. We will make the people obey it. Okay. Now, Mr. Imran, would you like to say how we get better our country, betterment our country, how we get unity? You know very well unity is strength, but how we can get these things? Would you like to say here? You what are doing over there?
Thank you, sir. As you said, that what's going on in our country, first I want to tell you the people, the Pakistani people, don't think that we are Pakistani or something else. They think that we are, we can say, from BP, from Altaf and like that, we say that MQM, like this, we think that. We never think that we are Pakistani. First, we will have to think that we are Pakistani, we will have to do something for our Pakistan, not for our parties. Like that, if we will think about the country, that we will have to make the better, then I think so we will have to get the unity.
Okay, thank you very much. Mr. Yu, say what a final point about this thing, how we can solve this problem, entire problem. How can?
Yes, sir. I would like to say that there is a lack of love. Everybody needs love. And the problem is that we are not providing love, we are not sincere, we are not honest. Due to this, everybody going in corruption. They are taking bribes. Due to this, the bomb blast was taken place in the university. The guard was there. He didn't say anything else. He just let him allow, he just let him come in. But this should be thing which should be stopped. And the government is the thing who they are providing us a great opportunity and the great facilities, but we are not utilizing them ourselves. We are.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sure, Raza. The main problem is if a single person you ask one question is who is responsible, absolutely he will say that. He will say government is responsible. They don't know about these things. Government providing each and everything, like they're providing tablet, medicine, and regular entire things. While whom? Why they're blaming? You know very well government cooperating with these guys, but they're again and again just blaming on government. What would you like to say about this point?
Yeah, I want to say about this point that the main thing is that we don't have unity. If we are one, so we cannot, anyone cannot break our country. Like we can say the other countries, they are one, they have power, that's why they are successful. But our country, there isn't any kind of unity, that's why we are decreasing.
To be destroyed, yeah? Your promised Rubab. Problem is this, our neighbor country like Saudi Arabia and Africa, the more neighbor country, they are separate with us. How can we be one? If you will be one, there will be more power. How can we be one?
As all persons say that we don't have a unity, we are Muslim, but we don't have a unity. First tell me that there is a Taliban. Who's the Taliban? They are Muslim or non-Muslim?
Yeah,
and if, can you take me that who is them?
When had people that not considered they are not Muslim because how they thought that.
So how they are bomb blasting, all persons say that they are
You are
You want to say they are Muslim or not?
They are not Muslim. The bombarding
If they are bomb blasting, they are not Muslim. Because the Muslim can't bomb blast. Muslim can't. The worst is that if they will kill against the Muslim, never kill the Muslim.
So how they
Muslim are Muslim.
Yeah, you are saying right. Our People are being killed as the Taliban. They blame it on Taliban. And Taliban, Muslim people cannot do these things. I think so. If he's giving terror to his brother, then it's not called Muslim. Am I right or wrong? Then all people are blaming Muslim. It must be abroad country or abroad people who want to destroy our country. Who will do something for our country, and who will be what? You know very well.
Now we have made one film about bomb blast in WLP University. But making for this entire film, just not I was alone. My entire student of WLP was in learning fine. Over here, the included number of students you can see over here. Sir Tessimali, the teacher of WLP, senior teacher. Sir Imran Baloch, the senior teacher also. And the number of students you can see over here, like Faria, Shasta, Farah, Munira, Hifza, Nimra, Taslim, Sadia, and Sakina, like Neelam, Rubab, Shabina, Hira, and Emman. The more senior student over here, you can see over there, my right hand, Sir Ayaz, the teacher of WLP, the Wasim Learning Point, and Sir Raza, the also senior student of WLP. And the number of boys you can see here, they're happy together, and they show their smiling faces, please. Alright, great. They were all together, and we made a great film. You can see the number of students of boys. I will name the boys. So they will say the names. First, the person here, say the name, please. Your name? Umair, Sharoz, Shazib, Asad, Umair, Naeem.
My name is Mohammed Bukhari.
Yes.
Hassan.
Arsalan, Sajjad, Rishad, Noman, Muhammad Shan, Hamza, Shabaz, Faizan, Muhammad Abid, Faraz, Shoaib, Jawad, Junaid, Saddam, Duhaib, Abid, Bilal, Waqar, Zubair. These are all students of WLP. I introduce the girls and boys introduce themselves because they are all the genius. And one more thing I would say that in Urdu, because we understand Urdu very well, because Urdu is our mother language. हम सब ने प्रोग्राम बनाने का मकसद सिर्फ यही था कि एक मैसेज देना था पूरे पाकिस्तान को और आपस में एक यूनिटी का इज़हार करना था कि हम ब्लेम करते हैं एक दूसरे के ऊपर कि इसका कसूर या उसका कसूर, हमें किसी और पे ब्लेम करने के बजाय खुद के गिरबान में जान के देखना चाहिए कि क्या हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हमने पाकिस्तान को क्या दिया। दूसरों को ब्लेम करने से अच्छा है पहले खुद को अच्छा करने की कोशिश करें। और तमाम स्टूडेंट ने हमने यही ऐड किया है कि आज के बाद आप यूनिटी का इज़हार करेंगे। Am I right guys? यही एक वादा है, ये कोशिश करेंगे कि पाकिस्तान को बिल्ड करने की कोशिश करेंगे कि आज WLP जो स्टूडेंट के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करता है तो सिर्फ इसी वजह से कि सामने हर मुश्किल का सामना करना सीखे इजीली। और WLP सिर्फ यही फिल्म नहीं और से बहुत सी फिल्म बनाते हैं सिर्फ इस वजह से कि स्टूडेंट के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप हो और उसके बाद करंट सिचुएशन के ऊपर हमें नॉलेज मिले। That's because that और एट द एंड हम खुदाफिज करने से पहले सब मिलकर कौमी तराना पढ़ें क्योंकि पाकिस्तान हमारा मुल्क है और उसके लिए जो तराना बनाया गया है डेफिनेटली उसको बिल्कुल इज्जत और एहतराम से विल स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग एंड आवर नेशनल एंथम। आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एवरीबॉडी प्लीज स्टैंड अप। आवर नेशनल सॉन्ग नेशनल एंथम सॉरी द नेशनल एंथम इज Pakistan!
watching us, don't miss. We're going to make another film over here, current situation, but I don't want to make another film of this situation where we don't need more bomb blasts in Pakistan. And I wish that I pray to Allah that please protect us from that entire activity. Thank you very much. And head off and all Pakistan. Thank you very much.